Dolphins are actually mammals that give birth and breastfeed their babies, although they are creatures that live in water and look like fish. Through an opening at the top of its body, air reaches the lung, and it can dive under the surface of the water from 15 to 30 minutes before it gets air. Dolphins are not one species, but there are more than 40 types of dolphins, some of which live in freshwater, river water. Most of them are distinguished by their graceful body and jaw-like beak, and they feed on fish and squid. Dolphins sleep with only half of their brain, and the other half stays awake in order to be able to breathe, and when dolphins sleep, only one eye remains open to observe what is around them, and it is the eye that follows the awake hemisphere of the brain, so scientists called it the watchful eye to guard it from enemies. Dolphins have an unparalleled communication system through which they can communicate with each other. Scientists have discovered that dolphins can greet each other and call each other by names like humans. The average lifespan of dolphins is 15 years, but some may live up to 50 years. Dolphins have a high ability to heal from deep wounds, such as blows from ships' propellers or shark bites. Dolphins are characterized by an amazing intelligence that has baffled scientists. They have the ability not only to solve complex problems, but also to find creative solutions to these problems. Dolphins are friendly and gentle creatures that love to play and have fun. Dolphins are social creatures that live in groups of 10 to 12 individuals in order to protect and provide food, and these groups have values and principles. The group stays with him until death and does not leave him alone. Dolphins enjoy high values and principles such as altruism. Dolphins have often saved humans and other creatures such as whales from dangers, and among the most famous of these accidents, in 1996 I found people swimming with his friend. Dolphins can communicate with each other, to the extent that scientists discovered that dolphins greet each other, as dolphins have a communication system unparalleled in living organisms. The whistling is the common means of communication between dolphins, for every whistling dolphin distinguishes it from others, as if it were his own. Where scientists who study methods of communication between these animals found that they use special means to call, which are high-frequency tones, and dolphins know each other's locations, and each dolphin chooses a distinctive whistle since its birth and uses it for at least 10 years. Dolphins have a radar guidance system similar to the sonar used by ships and submarines to be able to determine directions and the danger that surrounds them, and to locate food. Memory. In the animal kingdom, dolphins can recognize their friends even after 20 years, as well as distinguish their enemies. Studies have shown that dolphins take the initiative in many cases to save the drowned or the injured human, and this possibility increases if the drowned or injured is a pregnant woman. Dolphins are able to recognize themselves in the mirror, and even admire themselves when seeing their shape. Their bodies are characterized by a streamlined shape, and this reduces water resistance to them, which gives them high speed and agility in movement. The length of the largest dolphin fish is 2 meters, and its weight is between 35 and 45 kilograms. During the birth of dolphins and whales, their young come out of their womb with its tail and not its head. Dolphins can tell if a woman is pregnant by using the echo, but they cannot comprehend that they are seeing a fetus, only distinguishing the change that occurs between the body of a pregnant woman and a non-pregnant woman.